Hi, my name's Kerry Bulmer. Our company is ASPEC Incorporated. We've been in business for about 31 years now. We actually started out as a model and pattern company, developed a little further into making injection molds, and like most injection mold builders, wound up in the injection molding business. You know, the reason we actually purchased E2 to begin with was we were on 3 separate systems, but none of the 3 were integrated. What's left us to every time we ran a program, we had to take numbers from that and transfer it over to another program. You know, we first went on to the E2 system in 2000. And shortly after that, the economy turned down a little bit, and shortly after 2001, it got a little worse. We were able to, with having 2 years data built into our system, we were able to actually reduce our overhead up front in the office from 4 people to 2 people and still manage the business. E2 helps us stay pretty competitive nowadays. Instead of just guessing at a job, which what an estimate really is, what we do is compare that to another job that we currently have in-house. What we do then is take that particular job, analyze that data sometimes even before we quote the new job, even copy that router over into a blank page, modify it, and actually use real numbers to hit that job. We did have a slight worry, like a lot of people, that when you put it out on the floor, that some of the people would have trouble using the barcoders or understanding what they were supposed to do, and it was quite the reverse. I mean, the people actually just took right to it. Not only did they understand it, they loved it. They hated sitting there at the end of the day trying to figure out what they did, putting correct hours to the correct jobs. And if you're like a lot of places, some people, they won't do it every day. They'll wait till the end of the week and tell you what they did. And by that time, none of that information is right. A great thing about E2 is when you're sitting there and a customer calls. You instantly have a screen in front of you. If you need to, you can hit F5 and get into a whole new module. You sit there, you pull up their information, you're able to talk intelligently to your customers without saying, hey, can I call you back?